Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. We have been making a ton of money lately. Plus, we took a payout on Top Step of $1,000 because we just made $1,000 the other day on Top Step. Also, today on live Discord and TikTok, I took a perfect trade to the upside using a very simple model, being the break and retest, as well as identifying a very simple level. Plus, I provided that level in the Discord as well for anybody to trade it. Anybody to also, if they're struggling on finding levels, to have that level set in their charts. Plus, I always mention, and I have plenty of videos on the break and retest strategy, how to use it. If you use this simple strategy, plus using these levels, you'll make some good money like how I did today. So I made some great money, called it on live, took it on live, and here's the live trade. Now, let's break down that exact trade on why I took it, as well as maybe we'll even break down a few break and retest trades, but also let's just break down this very simple setup because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Plenty of times you could have entered. Market gave you plenty of chances to enter if you missed out on the first push, maybe missed out on the second push. You could have entered even again now. Like there's so many times you could enter using this very simple model. So let's break down this very specific level that I found using this mode's previous highs. Before the market even came to this high, we identified this level and traded it. As well as you guys can see, I actually even provided it today, 6:15, so 15 minutes before the market even opened, and I mentioned these levels that we plan on using. I said using my break and retest model for entries after market does the breakouts. And I said ES, got some ping pong levels to slap around on both sides. Meaning that even if it decides to reject here and never get the breakout above, maybe it'll come all the way down here. It could potentially bounce, but either way, a nice breakout down below for a retest entry for the downside. Except today we got the breakout to the upside. And all I did, guys, was grab my very famous little zone box here. Grab the most previous high of this wick here. I could use this wick, but I decided to actually use the wicks around here because I like how much it grabs. The reason why I even grab this level in general anyways is because every single time we hit this general area, you can see it resists, it rejects even lower highs, indicating that price is rejecting there as well every single time we hit that general area. Now, I already have this massive zone here drawn out from a long time ago, held nicely, you can see. Then again, guys, we come all the way back over here to this general area, except not only does it kind of create a lower high again, but actually it's bouncing, it's holding this level, it's breaking back above. And that is how you can very simply identify a simple resistance level, and that is what I use. Now, when the market opens, I simply go on a lower time frame to watch how the market reacts. Now I can see right at open, price is strong, a little bit of a rejection, but again, price is strong again, a little bit of a major sell-off. I thought we were maybe going to sell off a little bit more, but again, buyers take immediate control. So I entered because that was some strong price action. A little bit of a pullback, drawdown, back goes my favor, and again, price starts to create some major buyers. Now, one thing is I love trading candlesticks. If you know what this candle is, this is a hammer candle, which represents major buyers, meaning that at one point, this was a major sell-off candle. It was majorly red. It was a massive sell-off candle. But then buyers took control, took it all the way back up and closed it green, indicating that buyers took control. That is how you very simply read candles. You can read each specific candle, even a little bit of a small hammer. Again, price goes in favor. And guys, this is very simply how we made some great gains today. Then again, market pulled back to this general area. You can enter longs around here. I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of drawdown you would have to hold through. But again, nice bounce to again another pullback here. This looks very strong, like it wants to go again. Shall we take it one more time? Probably not, since we're going to secure our gains for what we had made. But again, guys, I hope you guys very simply enjoyed how to identify these kind of trades. It's very simple. No fancy indicators, no extra charts needed, just very simple breakouts and using the break and retest as entry model. Now, identifying entries is very simple to me with this model. It's just using the break and retest strategy. And it's so simple that entering in a trade feels numb to me. It's like, all right, I'm just going to enter the trade, semi-stop, because the model is so simple that it allows me to be comfortable and be confident in my trades. So if you guys want to learn how to be confident in trades and help identify entries and use this strategy in your advantage, then click the link in the bio and I'll see you guys in there. You guys will get a full jam-packed course series from top to bottom, all the way from using candlesticks in your favor to identifying trends, whether we're in an up market, down market, meaning uptrend, downtrend, to then also understanding the higher low, lower high concept, so that you understand where the momentum is actually heading in favor, plus using the break and retest model. And the last but not least being risk management, learning how to control and learn how to keep your gains, which is what I'm doing here today. Because I can easily try to slap another long here, but worst case scenario, if I lose 250, then I'll be down back to about like $300. Not the worst, but I'd rather protect my gains. So meaning that tomorrow, all I would need to do is make another $500, then again another $500, and I'll be able to pass this account. So hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.